Many people believe that more medical tests always mean better health, but after age 65, some routine checkups can actually do more harm than good. These tests can create unnecessary stress, lead to treatments that are not needed, and sometimes even cause complications. What is more surprising is that many doctors are now quietly rethinking these tests. So, which medical checkups should you think twice about after 65? And why are experts suggesting that less testing might sometimes be safer? The answer is not what most people expect, and it could change how you view your health decisions. Subscribe to the channel to help reach 1,000 subscribers. For decades, regular screening tests have been promoted as the key to long life. However, modern research shows that age changes how the body responds to testing and treatment. This introduces the idea of overdiagnosis, where problems are found that may never actually cause harm. Some tests can lead to follow-up procedures, which carry their risks. Because of this, medical organizations have started updating guidelines for older adults, and that is why some checkups are now being reconsidered after 65. Checkup number 1, routine full-body screening tests. Routine full-body screening tests include scans and multiple examinations done without any clear symptoms. Many people choose these tests simply to feel safe and in control of their health. The idea sounds logical because detecting problems early seems beneficial. However, the hidden issue is that these screenings can often detect abnormalities that are harmless and would never cause any real problem. These findings can lead to unnecessary follow-up tests, additional procedures, and growing anxiety. People may begin to worry about conditions that would never have affected their lives in any meaningful way. This cycle can create emotional stress and financial burden without real benefit. What seems like a safe decision can slowly turn into a chain of unnecessary interventions that affect both peace of mind and overall well-being. Checkup number 2, frequent blood tests without clear reason. Frequent blood tests are often seen as a reliable way to monitor health closely and consistently. Many people believe that more testing automatically means better awareness and stronger control over their health condition. In reality, the human body naturally shows small variations in blood results over time, even in healthy individuals. These minor changes are usually harmless, but they can easily trigger concern when viewed without proper understanding or medical context. A slightly abnormal result may lead to repeated testing, further analysis, and sometimes even unnecessary treatments that are not truly needed. This creates a cycle where each test leads to another, without a clear or meaningful purpose. Over time, this pattern can cause confusion and emotional stress that continues to build. Checkup number 3, cancer screenings in certain situations. Cancer screenings are often considered essential, and in many situations they do save lives and prevent serious outcomes. However, it is important to understand that not all screenings are equally beneficial for everyone, especially after a certain age when health conditions vary widely. Some types of cancer grow very slowly and may never cause harm during a person's lifetime or affect their daily life in any serious way. Detecting these cancers can lead to treatments that may not be necessary and may not improve life expectancy. The real risk appears when the treatment itself causes more harm than the condition being treated. Side effects such as fatigue, pain, and complications can reduce quality of life significantly. This becomes more concerning when overall health and life expectancy are not carefully considered. Checkup number 4, bone density tests too frequently. Bone density tests are designed to measure the strength of bones and assess the risk of fractures in older adults. These tests can be useful when done at the right intervals based on medical advice and individual health needs. However, repeating them too frequently often does not provide new or meaningful information about bone health or future risk. Bone changes usually happen slowly over time, so frequent testing may not change the course of treatment in any significant way. Despite this, repeated tests can lead to unnecessary concern if small variations are noticed and misunderstood. In some cases, people may be prescribed medications that they may not truly need at that stage. This can expose them to side effects without clear benefit or improvement in health outcomes. Checkup number 5, heart stress tests without symptoms. Heart stress tests are commonly used to detect potential heart problems by observing how the heart performs under physical strain or controlled conditions. While these tests are valuable for people who experience symptoms, they are not always necessary for those who feel completely normal and show no warning signs. When used without a clear reason, these tests can sometimes produce false positive results that suggest a problem even when none exists in reality. Such results often lead to further procedures, including invasive tests that carry their own risks and complications. These procedures can cause discomfort, stress, and additional health concerns that may not have existed before testing began. The situation becomes more serious when follow-up actions are riskier than the condition being investigated. As people grow older, the desire to stay safe becomes stronger than ever. Many individuals believe that the more medical tests they take, the more secure they will be about their health. This belief feels comforting because it creates a sense of control in an uncertain stage of life. However, the reality is often very different. More testing does not always bring clarity. Instead, it can begin a chain reaction of medical interventions that were never truly necessary in the first place. One test leads to another, then another, and suddenly, a simple precaution turns into a long medical journey. This creates an emotional conflict between fear and informed decision-making. On one side, there is fear of missing something serious. On the other side, there is the need to make thoughtful and balanced choices. It is important to understand that doing more is not always the same as doing better. The wrong test done at the wrong time can affect quality of life, creating stress, discomfort, and unnecessary complications that could have been avoided with a more careful approach. At this point, everything begins to shift. The real goal after the age of 65 is not to increase the number of tests, but to make smarter and more meaningful healthcare decisions. This realization changes the entire perspective on health. Instead of following routine checklists without question, the focus moves toward personalized care that fits the individual. Every person has a unique health condition, lifestyle, and set of priorities, and medical decisions should reflect that uniqueness. Some tests are only helpful when they are truly needed, not when they are done automatically out of habit or fear. This brings emotional clarity. Health is not about how many tests are completed, but about maintaining a good quality of life. When this understanding becomes clear, it becomes easier to step away from unnecessary procedures and focus on what truly matters for long-term well-being and peace of mind in later years. There is a logical reason behind this shift in thinking. As the body ages, it becomes more sensitive to medical procedures, treatments, and even minor interventions. What may have been simple and low risk at a younger age can become more complicated over time. This means that every test must be evaluated carefully by weighing its risks and benefits. Medical decisions should not be automatic. Instead, they should involve thoughtful discussions between the patient and the doctor. This is known as shared decision-making, where both sides consider the possible outcomes before moving forward. It is helpful to ask simple but important questions. Is this test truly necessary? Will it change the course of treatment in a meaningful way? What are the possible risks involved? These questions create clarity and help avoid unnecessary steps. The goal is not to avoid healthcare, but to approach it with intention and awareness. When decisions are made with care, the chances of unnecessary stress and complications become much lower. When looking at the bigger picture, this topic goes beyond individual tests and procedures. It is about how we choose to approach health as we age. Aging well is not about doing everything possible, but about making informed and thoughtful choices that truly support well-being. Preventive care remains important, but it must be personalized to match each individual's condition and needs. There is no single approach that works for everyone. The emotional takeaway is one of empowerment. When people understand the purpose and impact of each medical decision, they feel more confident and less fearful. This confidence leads to better outcomes and a more balanced life. The final thought is simple yet powerful. Sometimes doing less can actually protect your health more. By focusing on what truly matters, it becomes possible to maintain both physical health and peace of mind. These were 5 medical checkups to think carefully about after the age of 65. Each one highlights the importance of making thoughtful decisions instead of following routines without question. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might benefit from a better understanding of their health choices. You might also enjoy watching our next video where we explore daily habits that can improve health after the age of 60. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay informed and stay healthy always.